Hi, my name is Arun Krishnan, and I'm currently doing my post graduation in the field of finance. I did not have much exposure in this industry, but after I joined Academy Plus program, I got to connect with many of the experts in this industry, which helped me with my technical skills. And Expertons also worked on my soft skills, and they helped me prepare my resume, which helped me got the job that I have now. And in my case, they did not have to line up many interviews, as I got selected in my first interview only. So I thank Expertrons Academy Plus program to provide me with such an opportunity.